So our final part is the subtraction where we were borrowing the 10. So our first example is 14 take away 7. We've got 4 ones and 1 10. We can't take away the 7 from 4, so we have to borrow the 10, make it into 10 ones. Now we can take away the 7, and we have 7 left over. So 14 take away 7 is 7. Then we have 76 take away 37. So we've got 6 ones, 7 tens. We can't take away 7 ones. So if we borrow the 10, make 10 ones. Now we can take away the 7. We have 9 left over. Now we take away the 10s, so we take away 3 of the 10s away. So now we have 9 ones, 3 tens, so our answer is 39. So now it's your turn. You are going to have a go at a mixture of addition and subtraction questions, looking at the 4 sort of areas that we've just gone through in these videos. Please can you send pictures of all of your answers onto Dojo and on forms too.